this and we're going to go hard on this, unquestionably. We've met, myself and my colleagues, directly with the Minister for Justice on this, as senior officials, the Taoiseach and the Taoiseach. The Guardian will be given. I think the powers in removing the ambiguity is critical. Critically, what Grace's Law does here is remove any grey area with regard to if a scrambler is seen on a road, in a park, at a playing pitch, it's illegal. And they can be seized, and we want them seized, and we want them destroyed. And the operational matters within the Gardaí is something, of course, that we're engaged directly with them. And that will be a matter that we're all engaged in. It's not just within the department, we're working on this together. But it sends a very, very, very clear signal. And I did mention in my opening remarks too, that I think from a societal perspective as well, is that there will be a responsibility on families and indeed on individuals, that the state, rightly so, brings the laws forward and wants those laws enforced. But there are those who break those laws and who willfully break them. And that cannot and is not acceptable anymore, anywhere. And that's what we'll work together to ensure that.